Hello everyone, my friends and family back home in Jamaica. My name is Teneshia Samuel. I am a first generation Jamaican Canadian. I have called Canada, this beautiful land, my home for 33 years, and I've had the privilege to live who I am and to discover who I am in the freedom of this country. And I just want to recognize the beautiful people of Jamaica, my friends and family in the LGBTQ community, in the rainbow community, in the trans and non-binary community. I want to send my love to you and let you know that during this month of Pride for you, take this time to celebrate your love, to celebrate the sacredness of your being, of your expression, of your identity, because there is no one like us. There is no one like us who challenges the system of our society, of our culture. Our love, our expression, our identity is sacred. So please rest in this knowledge. I understand, I see, I hear, and I myself have been on the receiving end of so much spiritual, so much religious bigotry, so much hatred. Jamaica, I understand. And I want you to know that the only justification that you need is within the church of your heart. That's where your love resides, where your truth resides. And that is all that you need to live on. No pastor, no preacher, no missionary can tell you the truth of who you are. That is within. Live that truth, Jamaica. You are loved. You are sacred. Your love is sacred. Happy Pride. Enjoy this month. And do know that Pride exists beyond just the days of July. We are proud in who we are. We are proud in who we love. We are proud in how we identify 24/7. 365 days a year. When the pride flags are lowered at the end of this month, we're still here. We're still queer. We are still proud. We are still loved, and we are still sacred. Rest in this knowledge, Jamaica. Thank you so much. My name is Teneshia. Stay blessed. Love up, Jamaica.